Well, we'd like to take just a little bit of time to extend our sincere congratulations to Dr. Ray Campbell, who has recently retired as Associate Director of the Oklahoma Cooperative Extension Service. Dr. Campbell has a long record of service with Extension, serving in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Virginia before joining the OSU Horticulture Department in 1974. Longtime viewers of Oklahoma Gardening will best remember Dr. Campbell as producer and host of the show from 1980 to 1985.
Welcome to Oklahoma Gardening. Now here's your host, Ray Campbell.
Hello and welcome once again to Oklahoma Gardening. Glad you could join us today. You know, now that we're getting into early August, we're finding that this is going to be a big time of the year, or at least of the summer, for planting in the fall garden, because August is the month of activity for doing a lot of this planting. That's what we want to do on today's program, is spend some time out here in the garden doing some fall planting.
It was during this time that the show moved from being produced in the studio to being produced in Dr. Campbell's backyard. He served again as interim host with Sue Gray in 1989.
I'll be going back to our duties. I'll be going back to Tulsa County as horticulturist there full-time. And Ray, what will you be doing?
Well, I'll be assuming my responsibilities again as full-time administrator in the Department of Agriculture, as Assistant Director for Agriculture and Rural Development Programs. And we both have had these full-time jobs while we've been doing Oklahoma Gardening, but we've really enjoyed the last year or more being with you on the show.
Oh yeah, it's been a great deal of fun. I've enjoyed it. You all have been a great audience. We've enjoyed hearing from you. Now next week we're going to introduce you to the new host.
This last Monday, friends and associates gathered at the Oklahoma Botanical Garden and Arboretum to wish Dr. Campbell well and express their appreciation. At this time, we'd also like to express our appreciation, and while we'll miss working with him, we wish him the best of luck and know that now he'll have some time to do some of his own Oklahoma gardening.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.